I was sent this whole house water filter by iSpring to do a review on. This thing is pretty cool and it's very large. Let's get this thing unboxed, go over the details, get it installed, and then take it for a test spin. We'll see you here in a little bit. All right, so this is from iSpring. It's a whole house water purification system. Heavy duty. This thing is a beast. It is very large. This is the WGB32B series. I'll go ahead and lay this down here. All right, so I've got a bunch of little boxes. Let's go ahead and get them out, and then we will go through the rest of the boxes. All right, wow. Let's go ahead and just pull this one on out. Ooh, look at the size of that thing. Holy moly. So this looks like the sediment filter. Let's see what's in here. Sediment filter, 5 micron, model FP25B. Very, very nice. And then here's the actual filter holder. Very large, really heavy duty plastic. Jeez, that thing is huge. All right, so enough of that. Let's get the other ones unboxed. So this is the GAC plus KDF filter, model FG25B-KS. Slightly different filter on this one. Let's get that piece of plastic off. There we go. And let's see what this filter is all about. All right, this filter here looks like it is the carbon filter. Yep, there we go. So this is the carbon filter. CTO carbon filter, 5 micron, model FC25B. All right, so we got one more box left. This is all the parts and pieces. So let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Holy moly, this is a piece of steel here. Filter tool, owner's manual. Wow, this is some serious heavy duty stuff right here. Really thick steel. I mean, that's some solid steel right there. Looks like where all this stuff bolts in. All right, so this piece here is what we need to mount onto the wall. This is where the filters screw into, and then the top part of this, and you can look how thick that steel is. That's some really nice stuff. It's going to be holding some weight, so it's got to be up there pretty nice. I've got to figure out what kind of plumbing parts and pieces I need to make this installation work. It should be pretty straightforward. We got an in and we got an out, and it's marked right there on the top. That's your in, and then out. Your out is on this side. We've got the carbon filter here, the GAC and the KDF, and we'll go over that here in a second. And then the sediment filter, your little wrench to be able to take the filters on and off. Now this is a very nice manual. Just looks really good, and basically has all the installation stuff that you would need to set this up in your home, depending on your situation. Every situation is a little different, but it gives you the basic knowledge of what you're going to need and how to set it up.